Elon Musk has done it again. In a world where technology pushes the limit, Musk and his team at Tesla and SpaceX have unveiled something truly out of this world: the Tesla UFO fighter jet, a machine that defies gravity, shatters conventional aerodynamics, and changes the futures of aerial combat forever. Dubbed the T1 Phantom, this next generation fighter jet does not rely on traditional fuel or combustion engines. Instead, it uses a revolutionary anti gravity propulsion system, harnessing zero point energy to move in ways never before imagined. For decades, people have asked if UFOs are real. Well, we decided to build one. This is the people have asked if UFOs are real. It can travel from New York to Tokyo in under 30 minutes, enter low Earth orbit, and maneuver with precision beyond any non aircraft. The T1 Phantom is built with quantum thrust, allowing it to defy inertia. Unlike conventional jet, it can stop, turn, and accelerate in any direction instantaneously. Military analysts are calling it the most advanced combat aircraft ever created. But this is not just about speed. The Phantom integrates Tesla AI, creating an initiative flight experience. Pilot does not just fly the jet, they think and it responds. With telepathic like control, the jet becomes an extension of the pilot's mind. This changes everything. If we can't track it, we can't stop it. This is beyond any technology we have ever seen. With its ability to shift between dimensions and render itself invisible to radar, the Phantom makes all current fighter jets obsolete. Advanced stealth, outmaneuvering missiles, this jet does not avoid threats, it makes them irrelevant. Perhaps the most groundbreaking feature of all: interstellar travel. The Phantom can leave Earth's atmosphere and operate in space. NASA and SpaceX are already discussing its potential for deep space missions. Elon Musk told about this innovation. This is not science fiction. This is reality. The future of flight, the future of space travel. It's here and we are just getting started. The age of impossible has arrived. Are you ready? In a shocking twist, the ongoing Israel Hamas conflict is now taking a backseat to groundbreaking technological developments. Israel and its allies have unveiled a fleet of next generation fighter jets, boosting cutting edge capabilities that push the boundaries of modern warfare. Meanwhile, Elon Musk, SpaceX is making waves for an entirely different reason, launching what appears to be a UFO and directly challenging the US government. This mysterious craft has captured global attention, sparking intense speculation about its advanced technology and the potential implications for the conflict. What sets this UFO apart, and could it redefine the future of aerial dominance? In an unprecedented twist, the Israel Hamas conflict may soon be influenced by a shocking technological breakthrough. Elon Musk SpaceX has unveiled a mysterious new aircraft, an alleged UFO fighter jet that appears to defy the law of physics. How will its presence impact the ongoing conflict, and what does it mean for global security? Under Elon Musk's leadership, SpaceX has already space travel with three key rockets: the Falcon 1, SpaceX first privately funded liquid fuel rocket, made the history by reaching orbit. Though retired in 2009 after five launches, it laid the foundation for the company's success. The Falcon 9, introduced in 2010, became a game changer in space flight, capable of carrying up to 2208,000 kg into orbit. Over time, it evolved with the Falcon 9 Block 5 debuting in 2018, featuring improved reusability and efficiency. But now SpaceX latest innovation, a post UFO like fighter jet, has sparked intense speculation. Its advanced technology raises critical questions. How does it function? What capabilities make it unique? Could it shift the balance of power in the Israel Hamas conflict? Let us, as we uncover the secrets behind this groundbreaking aircraft and its potential to reshape warfare as we know it. SpaceX has redefined space travel with groundbreaking innovations, but its latest creation, a UFO like fighter jet, has left the world in shock. Could this advanced aircraft after the Israel Hamas conflict and reshape modern warfare? One of the SpaceX key breakthroughs is the Falcon's 9 reusable first stage, which can land, be recovered, and fly again.